This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2021 Renault Trafic stock number 6817. This ran from the 2019 to the current shape. It has a M9R 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the M9R 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, left hand door slight fold, right hand door no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,